Do you prefer seeing real buildings, roads, and landscape instead of plane maps? By setting satellite view as your default, you will get a more realistic look every time you open the app. It's great for navigation or exploring new places. Just note that it may use a little more mobile data. Here's how to make Google Maps always open in satellite view automatically. To do so, open Google Maps on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Tap your profile picture at the top right corner. Scroll down the screen. Then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. And then enable Start Maps in satellite view. Tap the back key. As you can see, now Maps will always open showing satellite imagery instead of the standard map view. If you often use maps while traveling or with limited data, try connecting to Wi-Fi the first time it loads, since satellite view uses more data than regular maps. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.